observe here? Displacement of water.
The mass of the object is equal to the mass
of the water displaced.
Right? So it is nothing but an Archimedes principle. What did you observe here?
It's the upward force.
Which is nothing but called buoyancy force. How much he possesses, that much amount of force is applied by the water and it will try to come up. And it also depends upon the density. Mass by volume. Right? Volume you have studied in your mathematics. How can you find the volume of the swimming pool? Length into breadth into height. So you know we have learned Newton's 3 laws. Which law is there now?
First law.
First law. Any object will remain rest until unless some external forces applied. Every action has opposite reaction. Any guesses? Newton's second law applies here. If suppose 𝗔𝗱 mass and 𝗏 mass is same, okay, and the acceleration if it differs, definitely Newton's second law will take place or not. What is Newton's second law? Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Right? What is momentum? Mass into velocity. Right? So here all the 3 laws are applicable. Right? So here some kind of work is done by them. Sorry, positive work, negative work or zero work? Negative? Yes. Because he is pushing the water back and the direction is like this. So he is doing a negative work here.
Yes.
First question, water is what? Whether it is an element, it's a compound or a mixture?
Compound.
Water is a compound. What is the formula for water? H2O. So it is a compound, right? Yes. Apart from there, here some kind of something is mixed in it, right? Not swimming pool water is conduct because some amount of chlorine is present, which is nothing else called bleaching powder. That's what will be the formula for bleaching powder. Water is a calcium oxychloride, CaOCl2. Okay, what is the effect of here bleaching powder here? Just what any germs is present because a number of people are jumping, bacteria will be there. Just to kill the bacteria, we are adding a bleaching powder. You get the chlorine smell. And is it metal or not metal? Non-metal. Yeah. So here you can see they are having some different kind of dress they are wearing, and if he wants to jump with the school uniform. What will happen?
Water
will choke more. It will absorb more water.
Yes.
So his mass will increase and it's very difficult for him to swim. So that's why they wear little lightweight which will not absorb the water. They wear the synthetic which will not absorb the water. This is the reason. Okay. Then we have learned about saturated solution and unsaturated solution.
Saturated solution has more content of solute compared to the unsaturated solution.
Okay. Now let's turn back to physics. They can swim? What is the difference between swimming in the river water and the sea water?
No salt content.
It will be little easier for them to swim in the sea water or the ocean because this density is more, so they feel little lighter and they can swim. Okay, so compared to the river water, they can easily float on the saline water with lots of salt is there because the water density is increased because of the salt. Fine.